Guys, today I'm going to show you how to control or program a 7-segment module by Arduino Uno. You will need an Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, and a 7-segment module and some jump wires. Those are male-to-male jump wires. So the first thing you need to do is to connect your 7-segment module into the breadboard. Don't bend the pins in the 7-segment module or it will not work. Be extra gentle when you do this. Next, you need to have the diagram. So this is the diagram. So you need to connect the wires according to this. So these two are the common grounds. So first we need to connect the common grounds, which are right here. The other one is right here. Next I'm gonna connect my 7-segment ground to the Arduino Uno ground, like so. Next thing you need to do, according to the pin out, you need to connect A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So don't worry, I will send a picture of this diagram. So first I'm gonna connect A to pin out of the Arduino board 2. Next 3 to DB, 4 to C, then D to 5, then E to 6, then F to 7, G to 8, then lastly H, which is this dot right here. If you look at the diagram, this is H. So gonna connect my H to 9. Okay, so the connections are all done, as you can see. Now we test it for real. Okay guys, moment of truth. Let's see if it works. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, it's working. Yes, it's working. So if you want the code for this 7-segment module, I will link it down in the description. And if you want the products I used in this video, like the 7-segment jumper wires or Arduino Uno board, you can check out the description. The links are in the description below. So I hope you learned something new from my project. If you do, please consider subscribing and a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.